My feet are wet. Again.
Well, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Refreshed.
I slept great.
And then we got to walk through the stream.
And my feet are wet.
You ready to go?
Ready to go.
What do we got today?
It may depend on the rain. Maybe 10 miles to hostel.
Not looking good.
Yeah. If it doesn't rain, we'll keep going to where we thought we would go. But it's supposed to start raining around 10 or 11.
A couple miles behind from last night.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Well,
All
let's
good.
get going. Now let's get.
Yeet.
Be there.
You wish there were fish in this pond. All right, somebody in New Hampshire has a sense of humor. You almost missed Mount Mist, and we are definitely
In the mist.
in the mist. Sense of humor once again. I'm digging the Rubik's Cube in particular. All right, so we made it 10 miles, and we are waiting for our ride to go to the Barn Door Hostel. But we were hoping to see a moose. We saw a moose. The showers. The bathroom and the toilets. This place is terrific. This is what it looks like when the weather's nice. That's not today. This is one of the bunk rooms. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beds. But that's my bed. That's a fixed bed, and no one else is expected to be here, so we got it all to ourselves. This has been a great place to spend a rainy afternoon. Very relaxing, and now there is some sun. We're doing a walking tour of the property, and this is our escort Goose. Hi, Goose. This is the hostel right there. Oh, I'm sorry, Goose. Did you want to be in the picture? And the sun is coming out. Looks like a promising day tomorrow. We're about a half an hour from the AT, so we will not be going up these mountains here.